Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the Java program in BlueJ environment. Means how to write Java programs in BlueJ environment, how compile it and how to run the program. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Java problem, and the problem is that write a program in Java to take a number as input and find out it is prime or not. Means whatever the number we send as input, the number is prime or not, just print on console. Okay, and here I am using BlueJ version 4.1.4. so go to the BlueJ IDE. Okay, so this is the BlueJ IDE. Now here I will write the code for the problem to take a number as input and find out the number is prime or not using Java language. And here I am using the BlueJ IDE. Okay, so at first we just create a new class, just press on new class button, and suppose we write the class name prime underscore number. Okay, and press OK. So this is the class file. So right click on that and just open editor. So just delete whatever written by default within the editor. Okay, so just write class prime underscore number, and whatever the code or logic we just write within public static void main and send as argument string array. Okay, and now here we take some integer variable. So at first we take int n comma I, and also another variable flag, and initialize its value to 0. Okay, and as the input is concerned, we already know if we take some input, so we need to import scanner class. So just write import java.util scanner. Okay, and after what we are just write system out println, and just interactive way we are just write enter a number. Okay, and now we take input, so that's why we need to create the object of the scanner class is equal to new scanner and send as argument system.in. Okay, and just take input within the n variable. So just write n equal sc.next int. Okay, and after what we write the logic. Now the logic is that the number is prime when the number is divisible by 1 and itself. Otherwise the number is not prime. Like 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. 13 is divisible by 1 and 13. But 15 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, so that's why we take a loop, and the loop starts from 2. So that's why I equal to 2. So how much the loop iterates means how many times the loop iterates. In that case we take half of the number. So just write I less than n by 2. Whatever the number we take input, just half of it, the rotation of the loop is going on, and just write I plus plus. Okay, and now the logic is that just write if n %I equal 0, means if the number is divisible except 1 and except the number, then we can say the number is not prime. So if enters this particular condition, then what happened? We just change the flag value, just write flag equal to 1, and we just terminate from the loop, just write break. Okay, and after close this for loop, and after here we write if flag equal 0, means if the number never enter within that particular block, within this if block, then we can say the flag value is never change, means flag value at first 0. So if it never goes in that particular area or within this particular block, so flag value is always 0. So in that case we can say it is a prime number. So just write system.out.println n plus, and within double quote put a space, is a prime number. Close this double quote, close this parenthesis. Else means when the logic just go into that part, means the number is not prime. So just write system.out.println and same way write n plus double quote open, put a space, is not a prime number. Close this double quote, close this parenthesis, and then close our main method, then close the class prime underscore number. Okay, now if we compile that, so there is no error, close this editor, just call the main method and just provide within the console, enter a number. Suppose we put the number 17 and press enter. Yes, 17 is a prime number because it's only divisible by 1 and 17. Okay, again run, again call this main method. Suppose we put here 25. So 25 is not a prime number because it's divisible by 1, 5 and 25, right? So just press enter. Yes, 25 is not a prime number. Okay, so in that way we can write our code for prime number. Okay, now what happened here, within this condition we are used only the half of the number as its condition, means the loop rotates or iterates only the half of the number. We can reduce the iteration procedure. We just import the math class java.lang.math, and here what happened, within this condition I less than math.sqrt and send as argument the n. That means the before we run the iteration up to the less of the half of the number, whatever take as input, but here we take only the square root of that number. That means it's also more or less than the half of the number. So that's why we're using the square root of n. If we compile, so there is no error, close this editor and again call this main method. Same way it will run, enter a number. Suppose we put a big number 234. Yes, 234 is not a prime number. Again if we run this program and say suppose 29 is a prime number. Yes, 29 is a prime. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.